Okay, let's do the unboxing. We have lots of unboxing I have to post. Oh my god. The what do you call that? The stroller. I didn't do it yet. I'm so late. I have 2 years ago video that I just posted.
Look at my phone.
Look, it's pretty. Come on.
So solid.
Okay, so this is expensive one, okay?
Wasn't this $3,000?
Huh?
$3,000, right?
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yay, Ahmad. Do it. You can do it. What number is that? That's the first one? Or just the middle? I think that's the middle. Is it heavy?
Maybe the middle. Here you go.
Okay, so it's about time for us to replace our Christmas tree. It's been like 20 years, so... Where's the base? That one? I don't think Elaine and I can carry it. That's why you're here. Yay! That's the base?
Nice.
Nice. Yee. Hello. We're doing unboxing.
Cool. Is that the base?
There should be a number in there.
Oh, that's the base.
See, there's a number.
Okay.
So this is the base.
Stand, you mean?
Yeah, that's a base one, like the stand. It's 7.5 feet.
Oh, big box.
Okay, move this. See, Hamad, look.
Yeah.
There's a number.
1,
1, 2, 3. Do you remember? This is number 3, I think.
What is this? Oh, it's broke already.
Why?
See?
Oh my god, we just got it. Cute. It's a bottom, I think, that one. Yeah. Okay, I guess we need to use the... What is this? What's the point of having this?
It's stretching. I don't like it when it goes long. It's a stretch.
This is sturdy. The box, sturdy. No?
Yeah, it is. The box is dirty. It's a manual.
Very strong.
Is that part of it, that thing?
I don't know.
Oh. Wait, where's the manual? Where did this go?
This thing, we...
There we go.
It spins on its own.
Ah! So what's that thing for?
What goes in the bottom there?
Nothing. You're just... Maybe that's probably you were just playing with.
Ay, nako!
I don't know.
How about this? What is this for? Is this the one from the other one? There's no manual. Come on, there's no... It's on the side.
It's on it. What do we have? Oh, the screws.
Yeah, of course, we have to lock it, right?
You have to lock it.
You will lock it.
You're speaking
Look
of
at...
that.
Look at this. Look at this messy living room. And look at this baby right here. First Christmas, Emily. First Christmas. Wow. Yeah. Emily's fault. We have a new tree. No, you know how to do it? 7.5 artificial Christmas tree. Yeah, this. Yeah, it's not messy. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna.
We're taking a 5-minute pause.
We're gonna have commercial
break. Yes.
Come on, can you hurry up, please?
Put on the close up.
Ay, nako.
What the?
Is it hard? I can carry this, I guess. It's empty. This is going. Look at this big box. Big box.
I don't know, guys. I really don't know.
Why not?
Let's go.
Maybe it's just like
You can't be faster.
maybe if you just store it. Place a tree stand on level surface.
Yeah.
Okay, you did that.
Wow, it's so easy. You don't have to like open it up.
Move it a little bit.
Just like.
Yeah, but we need to put this thing on the bottom, the white thing.
Oh.
Put it.
Yeah. What? Why didn't you say it?
No, put it underneath. Like, take it out.
Too late.
No.
Wait, that can go over the stand, Mom.
Yeah, that's later.
Over.
It's later.
Here. Put it over the stand.
Oh, over?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Go. Sorry.
What do you mean over the stand?
What do you mean?
Like a collar.
Oh, okay.
Found it.
No, this part of it.
You sure?
I think so. The one that you got.
Right there.
That's supposed to be for the bottom.
Screw for what?
You see what it looks like?
How about you do that? Jeez.
What's wrong?
1/8 inch.
Why are you being so wiggly?
It's a pin.
What are you being wiggly for?
Where do you put the pin? Daddy put it away.
Seeing your butt. Be like that. That's cute.
Okay, fine.
The screws can stay though.
I want to be in the video. Wow, that looks so nice.
Yeah, I like it thick.
Oh.
Make sure you align it because it has to connect.
Oh, that's what we need, the pin. Wait.
What is that thing? That thing over there.
Wait, let me see.
There's no hole, right?
There's no hole.
So that thing right there.
Which one? This
Is
thing?
that black thing?
This thing?
No, that thing.
Oh, this?
Maybe it's that.
The other one?
Is it? Let's see. Let me see the bottom.
Hey, you hiccuping. You have the hiccups.
Upside.
Oh, where's that?
You have the hiccups. Papa has the hiccups.
No.
No, they're both this. Oh, this is extra. Because it's like that.
Oh my god, I almost dropped the phone.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure it will insert this here, right? That part. The one that
Wow.
has a hole.
Wow.
Just turn it.
Wow.
Check it.
You may have to make sure it aligns because the lights, you
It
know.
has to align.
There's an arrow.
There's an arrow.
Yeah, align the arrows. Align both arrows in a straight line before sliding down to insert.
Yeah. Oh, the other side. I saw the arrow. There's an arrow there.
On the side. If you turn it.
Are you gonna lift it? Lift it a bit.
Lift it. No, it's turning.
I don't know what to grab.
Turn again, turn.
Uh-huh.
More. Turn
You.
another one.
Oh my gulai.
Up. Yeah, exactly.
I can see it. Oh, shit. Not even close.
No!
What the heck?
This way. What? No, wait, second.
It's not there? Oh, shit.
Another turn. Turn another one. There. Keep more.
That it?
No, it's not aligned. It's not aligned.
Is it on it or no?
It's on it, but it's not aligned. Another.
Oh, it's a little bit more. Okay.
A little bit more.
I can see it now.
Ay nako, Emily. She keeps doing a pupus.
Oh, shit.
I thought it was not. I thought it was easy. You said it's not even in the hole.
Bullshit.
Up.
Okay, let me see it. Where's the arrow? Oh. Oh, wow. Okay.
Sweating.
He's not even lifting.
I'm sweating already.
I think so.
Is it good?
No, almost there.
Oh.
What the bullshit? Okay. And that's better. It didn't do anything.
Nothing? I think that's too much of it.
Next one.
Okay, so there's an arrow there. Where's the arrow? Look at the arrow.
Take off the
first.
cap.
Oh.
Remove the cap. Arrow.
Wow, it's so.
Oh. We didn't hit a click here, did we?
Yeah, I heard the clip.
Okay.
Yay, that looks so good.
Yeah, this is taller. I like the taller
Good height.
one.
Okay, now turn it on.
There's no light.
Turn it on. There's a button, the on button.
Where?
The big circle. Like it's underneath the tree.
Not this thing here?
No, it's underneath the tree. Like it's a circle thing. You gotta press that circle.
Oh, it broke.
Wow.
That's
It's cute.
That's a nice color light. I like
Oh,
Yeah, it
that's
changes
so
it.
nice.
Different ones. I like white.
I like white too.
For
It can
now.
twinkle. I gotta see the settings. Oh, there.
Oh,
There's a different settings.
14.
Oh, see, it's twinkling.
Oh, it's twinkling.
The twinkling one?
He said that he wants.
Oh, this one goes off and on.
That's so pretty. Is there another setting? Keep going. I wanna see more. There's 11 settings.
Cute.
That looks so nice. That's like Ninja Turtles. Oh, whoa. No, not that color.
It's very like Spider-Man house.
Emily, your first Christmas.
It comes with 11 different effects. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh. Oh. It goes like that. Look. Oh. So cute. Too messy. Don't mind all this stuff. Yeah. Cute. This twinkle twinkles. I like this twinkle twinkle. 1,200 lights. 11 different effects. See? Yeah.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.